Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing vaping. Let me be clear. We're talking about so-called e-cigarettes here. These are the smokeless cigarettes. They look like a little thumb drive thing, and people kind of suck on them, and then this smoke comes, this vape smoke comes out. And it's my understanding some people apparently use these because they feel it's safer or they feel it's healthier or something. I don't know. I have no idea with respect to that. But it's always kind of been a major issue here in Thailand because it's illegal. There's a tobacco monopoly in Thailand, and the regulations pertaining to tobacco in Thailand continue to make vaping illegal. And it kind of throws people off, but hence the reason for the video. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Elite Card in the Hot Seat Over Scandal." Really interesting article. A lot going on in that article. And then in kind of the middle of the article, there's this excerpt which is seemingly kind of unrelated to the rest of the article. So I thought I'd make this video on it, quoting directly. And I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. But this excerpt, again, kind of was an aside. It didn't really get to the thrust of that article, so I decided to make this video on it. Quoting directly, Mr. Peapot, and Peapot is Kun Peapot Ratchakiprakan, the tourism and sports minister here in Thailand. Mr. Peapot added that in the case of tourists using electronic cigarettes, which are illegal in Thailand, police do not have the authority to directly fine tourists. They can only submit the lawsuit to the court. The reference was to an allegation made by Taiwanese actress Charlene An, who said police extorted money from her at a Bangkok check stop after finding her with an e-cigarette device. The police at first denied the claim, but have since reversed their story. Not to get into all of that, but I thought this was really interesting. I want to quote this again. Mr. Peapot added that in the case of tourists using electronic cigarettes, which are illegal in Thailand, police do not have the authority to directly fine tourists. They can only submit the lawsuit to the court. Now, a couple of things. We've seen ministers and things kind of speak outside their bailiwick in the past, and they've said things that may or may not have been completely in line with exactly how the laws or regulations were operating in the moment. So bear that in mind. But that being said, this is an interesting insight with respect to this, that yeah, these devices are illegal, but I think what the tourism and sports minister was trying to convey was, hey, tourists, don't sit around freaking out about vape cigarettes or something of this nature. It's not something that the Thai police are looking to, round up people, round up the usual vape suspects, if you will, and throw them into the hole or something. No, that's not what's going on. Yes, there is a legality issue with respect to this, most notably the fact that, yeah, under the rules right now, that, these e-cigarettes, these products are illegal. But again, it's not something you're going to, again, just to quote directly, which are illegal in Thailand, police do not have the authority to directly fine tourists. They can only submit the lawsuit to the court. So that's an interesting insight, again, quoting from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Now, that said, they are illegal in Thailand. So if you're looking to travel into Thailand, probably not a good idea to bring e-cigarettes with you. If nothing else, they'll probably be confiscated by customs, I would presume. And then, once you're here in Thailand, maybe a good idea to find alternative methods for enjoying whatever it is you were enjoying through the vaping process, because again, these devices are illegal in Thailand. Now that said, are they running around rounding up people to take them to the gulag over e-cigarette violations? No, that's simply not happening.